Okay guys, it's Sherry. So now it's time for giveaway number 2, and I hope that you were excited about giveaway number 1. I think the tag kits are a lot of fun, so I hope that you guys will just jump right in there and want to join the giveaway. Giveaway number 2, in my opinion, is equally as fun as giveaway number 1, and here it is. So you guys have seen me crafting with this paper over and over and over again during the Father's Day series, and the reason why is this paper is to die for gorgeous. It is a high quality paper by My Mind's Eye. It is copper foil on navy, which is stunning, and when you flip it, the opposite side has tools on it, so it truly is the perfect masculine crafting paper for any masculine gift giving. It is perfect for that. So unfortunately this paper is expired and you can't get it in the store or online anymore. I think you might be able to find it on eBay, but they're charging crazy prices for it. Well, me being me, when I first saw this paper, I loved it, so I ordered it in bulk. So I have a bunch of it. And now I want to share some of it with you guys. So I have 2 kits of this paper, and each kit will contain 5 sheets of this paper, some Hey Mister ephemera, and then 2 sheets of another paper from the Hey Mister collection. So I don't have the whole package put together yet to show you guys, but trust me, it is going to be a fabulous package of Hey Mister papers and ephemera when you receive it. So again, you're going to receive 5 sheets of this particular Hey Mister paper. You're going to receive some Hey Mister ephemera, and you're also going to receive 2 other sheets from the Hey Mister collection. And I am going to have 2 of these particular giveaways available. So in the kit giveaway, I gave away 6, and in this giveaway, I'm able to give away 2 packages. So read the description box and it'll tell you all of the eligibility requirements. There's a change in the eligibility requirements. So in the kit video, one of the requirements was to leave a comment stating what your favorite project was in the Father's Day series and why. Well, we're not doing that for this giveaway. So in the comment section of this video, all you need to do is put, yes, please do more giveaways, or no, I don't like giveaways. And that's it, guys. That's all you have to do, and meet the other eligibility requirements of being a subscriber to my channel and being at least 18 years old. That's it. So the same process of when this giveaway will close applies. It will close at 9 o'clock tonight. I will do the drawing tomorrow morning, June 5th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will be shipping these out on Thursday, June 6th. So everything is the same, with just a slight modification to the eligibility requirements and the contents of the giveaway. So I hope that you guys really are excited about these 2 giveaways. So I hope y'all like this. Y'all have a great day, happy crafting, and good luck.